Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing the top 10 things you should never put in your checked luggage when traveling. These items can cause major problems at security, lead to delays, fines, or even confiscation of your belongings. Watch till the end to get these important tips that will save you a lot of trouble. Point 1. Portable electronic devices. Never pack lithium batteries like power banks or laptops in your checked bag. These batteries can catch fire or cause hazards during the flight and are prohibited in checked luggage. Always carry these devices in your carry-on. Example: my friend Huda packed a power bank in checked luggage and her bag was held up for a long time at security. Point 2. Flammable or explosive materials. Whether it's high-concentration perfume, hairspray, lighters, or any flammable item, don't pack them in checked luggage because they are very dangerous. Point 3. Cash and important documents. Never put cash, passports, or important documents in your checked luggage because you might lose them or they might get stolen. Always keep them with you in your carry-on. Point 4. Sensitive or perishable medications. Medications that require refrigeration or special care should stay with you in your carry-on because they can spoil or get lost in checked luggage. Point 5. Valuables, jewelry, cameras, expensive electronics, all should be kept with you. Not in checked luggage, as they can be stolen or damaged. Point 6. Liquids over the allowed limit. Any liquids in containers larger than 100 milliliters are not allowed in carry-ons and should be packed carefully if in checked luggage to avoid leaks or damage. Point 7. Fresh or perishable food. Avoid packing fresh fruits, vegetables, meats, or any perishable food in your checked bag because of customs restrictions. They may be confiscated. Point 8. Sharp objects or dangerous tools. Knives, large scissors, razors, and other sharp tools are banned from checked luggage and can cause legal trouble. Point 9. Items you'll need immediately upon arrival, such as a change of clothes, toiletries, or anything you might need right away. Don't pack these in checked luggage to avoid being stuck waiting if your luggage is delayed. Point 10. Legally prohibited items. Make sure to check the laws of the country you're traveling to. Some items like certain medications or chemicals are banned, and packing them can cause serious legal problems. Now that you know what not to pack in your checked luggage, you can travel with peace of mind and avoid baggage troubles. Have you ever faced issues because of something you packed in your checked bag? Share your experience in the comments. Don't forget to download my free guide with packing tips and travel rules from the link in the video description. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to get more smart and stress-free travel advice. Thanks for watching, and I wish you safe and enjoyable trips.